Imagine an app that can analyze thousands of medical records in seconds, helping doctors make faster, more informed decisions. That's the power of modern health diagnostics technology. Mobile diagnostics apps are more than just a trend, they're revolutionizing patient care. With AI-driven symptom analysis and machine learning, these apps can quickly process complex data, identify early signs of illness, and offer personalized treatment options. This means better outcomes for patients and more efficient workflows for healthcare providers. Key features of a diagnostics app include intuitive user interfaces that make it easy for both doctors and patients to navigate, seamless integration with EHR systems, and top-notch security measures that comply with HIPAA standards. Such capabilities ensure that your data stays safe while delivering real-time, actionable insights. Mobile diagnostics also enhance doctor-patient interactions by enabling patients to quickly share symptoms and health records, thereby reducing administrative burdens and allowing healthcare professionals to concentrate on delivering effective care. This efficiency minimizes unnecessary hospital visits, optimizes resource allocation, and ultimately improves the overall quality of care. And when it comes to building these innovative apps, Topflight stands out as the ultimate solution. With years of experience in healthcare app development, Topflight offers rapid prototyping, agile development, and deep integration with existing hospital systems. Our expertise ensures that every app not only meets today's demands, but also anticipates tomorrow's challenges. Whether you're a health tech founder or a clinical executive, partnering with Topflight means you're choosing a path to excellence in patient care. Ready to transform your vision into reality? Visit topflightapps.com and book a consultation today.